Hey guys, welcome back to the episode 2 of Cmake. So, in this episode, I will be teaching you about the how to configure Cmake on your personal machine. And right now, I will be telling you about how to configure it on Windows. And in the next video, I will be telling you about the how to configure on Linux as well. So let's start the configuration on Windows. It's pretty simple. On Windows, uh, it's just an executable file. You need to download it and install it simply. So let's get started. So here is the website of Cmake, cmake.org. You will be going on that website and then just click on the download button. Okay, then let's let's stick to the latest one because uh, sometime we there are some specific cases in which we are using older version of CMake, but right now let's stick to the latest version of CMake. So it will be good practice for like using a latest CMake. So according to your according to your machine, it's 64-bit or 32-bit. You will be getting an installer file and you will be installing it, downloading it first, then installing it. Let's simply let me tell you the process of the installation. I've just clicked on the 64-bit because my Windows machine is 64-bit, and then I will click. Then I have clicked on the installation. It's simply there is a setup wizard open for you guys. So let's wait. It's ready. Simply accept the agreement. Okay. So here is the main part. Most of the people don't read that we need to install into the system path as well. Just press next, and in the default it's set it up that do not add cmake to the system path. So what's the difference between adding the cmake in system path and not adding cmake in the system path? Okay, so in start I will be teaching you about the uh, using cmake uh, command line. Okay, so for the command line, if you use any cmake command on cmd, so it will not recognize if you do not add the cmake to the system path, because when you select do not add cmake to the system path, then it will not be adding the binaries of the cmake to the environment variables, which will be accessible globally into the computer. So you need to add cmake for the system path for all user, or for the current user, it's your choice. Creating cmake desktop icon, it's also your choice. So I prefer and I recommend you guys to add to the system path for all users. So anyone can using your PC need to use cmake can easily use it. So just press next, select the place, and when you press next, then it will be installed simply. So that's all. Like I have already installed on my PC, so then like I will not install it again. So that's pretty simple and easy to install cmake. So that's all from the episode 2. Nothing fancy here to configure cmake. Just run the executable file, install it, and I will be letting you know how to start using cmake in the next episode. So thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all.